Today, I share everything I use in 2021 as a graphic designer under lockdown here in the UK. Now, I did live in Asia from 2010 to 2020, but when the pandemic first hit, I returned home and then became trapped where I am now, so I had to make do best with the small space I currently live in. Oh, and I also have a really clever and a really neat hack to show you that you don't want to miss. Learn more about the awesome workflow tool Milanote later in today's video, and also how to sign up for free with a no time limit period attached. So yeah, I do use a Mac mainly because I learned graphic design on Macs way back in college, and so I'm just used to the OS. But yeah, anyway, my iMac is a really basic kind of model with specs seen on screen. I do find it essential to have two monitors because it does help to streamline my workflow, especially when I'm trading cryptocurrencies. And this is just a cheap Dell monitor. I bought it originally thinking I wouldn't be living here for very long, and of course I wouldn't be taking it with me when I leave the UK again, but it will do for now. I get so many people asking me what microphone do I use and commenting on the audio quality of my videos, and the mic I have here is a Rode NT, which is probably one of the best investments I've ever made. Often with tech, you get what you pay for, and in this situation with this microphone, that is no exception. It feels really heavy and robust to the touch, and you can simply get a feel of the quality just by handling it. Oh, and I grabbed an inexpensive microphone stand from Amazon, and I think it was about 30 bucks or something like that. But yeah, making videos for you guys meant I wanted top-notch audio, and so I did splurge out on a decent mic. Side note, I always have a jar of water to sip on because staying hydrated leads to a happy designer. So another question I get asked is, what keyboard do I use? And this is a Logic keyboard, and I did have a giveaway in collaboration with Logic Keyboard, and if you did miss that last year, sorry, but that's gone. But yeah, this keyboard has a lot of shortcuts on the keys from Photoshop, Illustrator to InDesign, and I personally don't need the reminder, but it just looks pretty cool, and this keyboard is really sturdy and functional. So next up is my mouse, which is a Fanatec Clutch 2 signature mouse, and Fanatec is a gaming company. I don't personally game, but I bought it because USB mouses are faster than wireless due to no lag, and also Fanatec just make really good equipment in general. I have nothing negative to say about it really. Something every designer should have is a good place to store your files away from your machine, and I have not one but two Seagate external hard drives, both with 1 TB of memory. Now I have two because I like to back up my files twice in case one is damaged. I have all of my work on them as well as things related to cryptocurrency, so I do need everything to be safe. The most recent one I bought, this white one here, has a really nice fabric exterior and it just feels really nice to handle. But yeah, whenever I go to get external hard drives or something related to them, I always go to Seagate. Now, that trick I mentioned at the start of the video, now it's based around this thing here, which is simply an SSD container. Now I've had this for a long time and it does look pretty beat up. I've also taped it to other external hard drives in the past, hence why things are kind of stuck to it now. But anyway, why do I have it and what is it for? Well, inside is a 500 gig SSD where I run my Mac OS. Yeah, I don't have my operating system stored on my iMac itself, it's stored on here. This frees up a whole lot of space on my iMac, and as a result it runs a lot smoother and a lot faster. So if you want to speed up your machine, consider storing your OS externally like this. Editing videos means I need a good set of headphones, and so I went with these by One Audio. You'll notice that I have fairly decent tech for what I need, but I don't waste money on things that I don't need, as example owning iPads, drawing tablets and so on. I'm not saying these things are useless, but to me they're just not necessary in my career. And speaking of careers, later this week I'm going to launch a course in collaboration with the International Open Academy on how to start a graphic design business. The course is going to have a massive 92% discount up until the 1st of May, and so if you want to learn more about creating a brand, securing clients, and making a profitable career on your own, stay tuned this week for more details on that course. So today's video is sponsored by Milanote. Now I've been a firm advocate of Milanote for 3 years, and if you've been subscribed to my channel for a while, you will know that Milanote is a bit different to traditional software. Now it's more like working on the wall, so to speak, in a creative studio. It allows you to map out your projects, collect all of your ideas and inspiration in one convenient place. And it also allows you to collaborate with your colleagues or your clients in real time. So I've been using Millernote for the past 3 years to keep my creative projects organized, and this awesome tool is available for free with no time limit. So if you haven't done already, sign up for free using the link in the description box below and start to streamline your graphic design workflow today. If you want to learn more about graphic design, do click a video on screen. And until next time guys, design your future today. Peace.